Welcome to my Soy Sauce. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese Oyakodon. So Oyakodon, which means chicken and egg rice. The chicken is really mild and tender at the same time, and it has a very strong flavor. The sesame and the spring onion does do the best finishing touches. Very delicious, very yummy. Okay, let's get started. So, we'll need some spring onion, an onion, a real onion, chicken thigh, 150 ml of water, raw sugar, eggs, soy sauce, cooking wine, and mirin. Now we're going to wash the rice. We're going to add some water and kind of use 2 hands to kind of mush it together. Don't wash for too long. Pour the water away. The same amount of water we use for the rice. You gotta pop this in. Push it in. So I'm gonna cut the spring onion. It's just for decoration. So we don't want these parts to go yucky bit. Just a little bit over here. And then yucky bit goes in the bin. Push. Or you can grow another one. I'm going to cut these oval shaped. They look like pasta. First we're going to peel off its skin. It's got multiple layers. If you can peel them off all at once, but I can't. It's so shiny. And then you're going to peel them and they'll be very, very yummy. So we're going to take a paper towel. Mine has got little patterns on it. Cooking pattern. Then we're going to dry it up. Now we're going to cut this chicken thigh into strips and turn them into chicken strips. Chicken might be a really hard thing to cut. Now the chicken strips are cut, we're going to beat 3 eggs. When we taste it, we don't want to get a really, really big mix of egg yolk and egg white. So we want to get some separately. So, 1 egg, 3 eggs. Very tiny eggs. Okay, now we're going to beat them roughly. We're just gonna let it to wait for a little bit. So before this is fully cooked, we're gonna add soy sauce, rice cooking wine, and some raw sugar. and some water. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Cooking is actually pretty fun and sometimes really experimental too. It already smells so good. I've noticed. Oh, look at the fizziness. Just gonna turn the heat down, and now we're gonna add half of the egg at once. Okay. Just gonna let this stay there. Don't mix it because when you mix it, it mixes all the egg yolk and the egg whites, and we want to have both at the same time. So I'm gonna pour in the rest of the egg and just let this sit there. I really want to eat it now. Now we have our rice ready. We're going to pour the chicken into the bowl. So now we're gonna top our dish with spring onions and or black sesame. Sprinkle a little bit of black sesame. Now the egg yolk and the egg whites has separated. Look, the white is the egg white and the yolk is like the yellow bits. Now I'm gonna try this. So yummy! I can taste the difference between the egg yolk and the egg white and the chicken. I love chicken thigh. Don't forget to click the button below to subscribe, ring that bell, and don't forget to like this video.